Hi, this is David with Creation Crate, and this component is a piezoelectric speaker. A lot of times it's just shortened to piezo, but basically it's a buzzer or a small loudspeaker that uses the piezoelectric effect for generating sound. So it converts an electrical current into sound, usually high frequencies, and based on the frequency of the current that we apply to it, will change the frequency of the sound that you hear. So again, this is a piezoelectric speaker, a lot of times called a piezo. And that's one of the components that you'll use with your Creation Crate projects. Well, I hope you learned something new. You can find more component videos and tutorials at www.creationcrate.com/classroom or ask our Facebook Messenger bot.